Your home smoke detector is one of the most important tools for your safety. Regular maintenance on your smoke detectors can be accomplished with a few simple steps. Every year, schedule a date that you can test all the smoke detectors in your home. Schedule this in advance so that everyone in your house is aware of the process. Use non-slip shoes to climb ladders, and if necessary, have someone assist you. When testing your smoke detector, press the test button and listen for the alarm. If it's working, it's time to replace the batteries. When replacing your batteries, take note of the age of the smoke detector. Visually, you can tell if you need to replace it if it's turned yellow. Any smoke detector over 10 years old must be replaced. When testing, changing the batteries, or replacing the smoke detector, a good rule of thumb is, if you do it to one, do it to all of them. Regular cleaning of your smoke detectors is recommended. Use compressed air, a vacuum hose, or a feather duster to clear away any unwanted debris. Annual maintenance of your home's total electrical system, including smoke detectors, is recommended, and you can always call the electricians at Mr. Sparky for assistance.